All right, so we're getting people requesting a tutorial on how to do a package deal if a user selects one or more products. So we're going to go ahead and show it to you in this video. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is add a few different options in the form of drop downs. So let's go ahead and duplicate. So we have two drop downs here, and let's just call this product one. Again, I guess it's called product one, product two, perfect. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like so far. You can do this in the form of checkboxes or drop downs, it doesn't really matter, but let's say you have these two products and each product is three euros each, so it's €6 in total. But what if you want to give a discount, say that instead of paying €3 each, you get 20% off if you buy both these products at the same time. And actually, let's go ahead and do it for a third one as well. Let's do it this way. Perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So we choose 3 products, should be €9. Yeah, €9 right here. So what you would want to do is you have to make sure that it's going to stay in the same subsection. That's how this math works. So you would add an element and you'd add custom math. And what you're doing is you're giving a package deal discount. You can do a dollar amount if you want, or you can do, so you can minus $20. You know, I mean, let's say $2 or something like that. Or if you want to give them a percentage, you can do minus 20%. As well. So let's go ahead and refresh that. See, automatically what's going to happen is it's automatically giving this 20% off. So if we just go like this, they're still getting that 20% off. So what you have to do is click on the custom math and add a conditional logic, and only trigger that conditional logic if product one is selected and product two is selected. Then it's going to trigger this custom math. And let's say if they have to buy 3 products in order for this to happen, then you would do it like this. So go ahead and save and refresh. So in this example that I'm doing, if they buy only 2 products, they don't get the discount. See, it's six euros right here. But if they get the third one, they get that package deal, and now they're getting that 20% discount. So that's how you do it in this example.